Y'all, I just had to come on here and say, never mind how I'm looking, but I guess y'all probably used to it by now, because real life. Listen, so I'm on TikTok, right? And I see this man here. Have y'all seen him? He's on live right now. But, hold on, my camera's so crooked. But, anyway, you see he has the little, the little Yorkie dog, right? But he's like dyeing the feet of the dog or whatever to a pink, right? I just come on here because he was kissing the dog on the forehead. Like, you know, like trying to, I guess he was keeping him calm or whatever. Everybody's like, in the comments, just, if you read the comments, if you just need a good laugh, sometimes just go on TikTok, because it had me dying laughing, because everybody's like, why is he kissing the dog? Like, it's too much. I'm talking about the comments were going crazy, but my whole thing was, everything that you're thinking don't necessarily need to be expressed. Because I was thinking in my head, like, why is he kissing that dog like that? But then, you know, if you really think about it, he was just trying to calm the dog down. And some people were in the comments saying, if I seen that man kissing my dog, I would be so happy. And it was just like, it was a little bit too much for the dog to not be his. But I understand him being a groomer. He has like a love for pets. But my whole point of saying this is just to, I was literally crying laughing at this. But my whole point is, like, everything that comes to your mind ain't got to be said. I just want y'all to know that. Like, everything is not meant to say out loud. Like, even though I was thinking that, I would never go in the comments and be like a troll and say, ew, why you kissing that dog? Why you kissing that dog like that? Like, that's nasty, you know? It's just but everybody on TikTok, boy, they would tell you exactly what they think. I'm talking about down to like, people's talking about you need moderators. He's trying to calm the dog down. Why are y'all doing so much? The internet is mean. It's just like, I'm talking about the things people were saying to me was so true. But it's like, you don't really say that. Like, we're all thinking it, right? But you just, I mean, because we don't have to be on this live, right? You could just exit out the live and, you know. But anyway, everything that you're thinking doesn't need to be said out loud, because you're considered like a troll. Like, you just don't do that. That's just rude. You don't even know that man like that. We don't know this man. We just came across it, and I just, you know, I clicked because he was because he was kissing the dog. And they talking about the dog was shaking and going on, but obviously the dog is cold. But I'm guessing he has let the doggy die process. So he's just trying to keep the dog cool, you know, like while the dog was processing. But anyway, sometimes I just get the biggest kick off of TikTok. Like, y'all are, people are impressive. But I pray, I really want to be a great influence to my tribe of people. You know what I mean? Like, I ain't trying to be, I don't want to be famous. I don't want to be like that. But you know, as you get bigger, like, these people are coming. And to think like that these kind of people may be coming for me one day is mind-blowing. Because I feel like, I pray that I keep this same kind of energy where I do not let things affect me. And that's just like being strong in yourself, and, you know, just knowing who you are and whose you are, I feel like makes a difference. But I pray that I don't let people, like, in these comments, like, now I find it funny because it's not happening to me. But what if it was happening to me? I would feel like it was kind of fucked up. But, you know, like, you're, you know, I ain't gonna be doing that. But, you know what I mean? Like, anything that you do is just under a microscope kind of thing. Like, when he was kissing the dog, he had like 3,000 or so watches. Now we're down to like 1.6. He had like 3.4. But it was just going ham for a while. I don't know. But I just came on here to basically just say, don't be a troll. Period. Don't be a troll. Don't be that person. Don't be a turtle, in the words of TD Jakes. Don't be a turtle. Don't be down here. Be a giraffe. Be up there. You know, like, let people do what they gonna do. Like, your opinion is not gonna change people's mind. You're only one person compared to the internet, which is billions. So don't do that. Don't do that. Don't be rude. Just be nice to people, you know? Be nice so nice things will come back to you. It's karma. So, yeah. End scene. Hi, guys. Why am I blurry? You got a problem? You don't clear it? Okay. Hi, guys. It's your girl, Natasha Nicole, and welcome back to another day of Vlogtober. Sorry for my washing machine in the background making so much noise. But today is Friday. I have been up already. I've been up since 6 o'clock this morning. I had to bleach some hair that I have to do. I have to, and I had to take Carter to school. I've already did a guy's dress this morning at like 9. I was able to fit him in. So my day today is going to end about 2:30 by the time I'm picking up Carter. So I'm super stoked and excited. I don't know what I'm super stoked and excited. But honestly, I was feeling a little bit guilty because I didn't have the camera in my hand. And I was like, Tasha, just relax for a second. Tasha, like, yesterday's vlog was kind of like nothing happened. And that is just like regular life for me. Honest to God, it's like regular life. But next week should be a lot more exciting because we got Donnie in town. So we're going to go some different places and do some different things. Just because she's coming all the way from New Jersey just to visit me and whatever. But anyway, yeah, I was feeling guilty for not picking up the camera. So I came back home for a second. I said I was going to run to the beauty supply store. There's a few things that I wanted to pick up before I did my last client. But I just decided I'm just going to wait and do it later because I have everything that I need. I was just buying some new stuff. And I just decided to come home. I went ahead and made myself an iced coffee, which is probably why I'm talking so fast. And girl, I don't know. And then I just took a B12. So right now, currently, I am about to make me some breakfast, which I'm just going to have a yogurt parfait because I have to be back at the shop in like 45 minutes. So I'm just making me a yogurt parfait, but when I went to go get the yogurt was frozen in the freezer, or frozen in the refrigerator. So I'm letting it thaw out on the counter, and then I'm going to put my fruit and everything in it, and I'm going to have that to eat. And then we'll go back to the shop where I do my last client's head, pick up Carter, maybe run to the beauty supply store. I feel like there's something else I need to do. Oh yeah, I need to I'm joking. Pad Carter's night gear a little bit more because it's making this really bad spot on his chin, and I hate it. So I gotta go get something to pad it a little bit more. So we do have to go to Walmart. What else? And then we're just gonna come back here. I'm gonna dye my wig jet black because I've been wanting to do that so bad. So I'm gonna dye my wig. I kind of low-key want to do my nails, but then again I kind of want to wait. Next weekend we're supposed to be going, possibly I'm going to my friend's birthday party, and it's Stonechella. It's very Coachella vibes, so I have no idea what I'm going to wear yet. So I'm thinking my nails will really, I'm gonna do something different to my nails then, but I really want my Halloween nails on that I bought at Walmart a couple of days ago. I really just want Halloween vibes. But anyway, so yeah, I just had to come on here and give y'all a quick little update. But I'm gonna have my breakfast and go finish my last client, and I will see y'all in a little bit. So just want to come and introduce today because we're gonna need some footage, and this video will probably go up late because this video probably actually will be for today, unless I find something else to record in the meantime that I could put up for today and have this for tomorrow, and then finally be ahead, and then I don't have to worry anymore. But anyway, that's another point. But anyway, see y'all in a few. The sun is like not doing any justice. We now have Carter, but so I told Carter, picked him up from school. First off, I got the girl's hair done. Perfect timing. I literally had like 7 minutes to spare before I had to go pick up Carter. Then I started getting a headache. I told y'all I made me a yogurt parfait earlier. That was like 11 something, and I just started to get a headache, so I went to McDonald's, got me a fish fillet sandwich and some fries. Carter didn't want anything besides that milkshake that he was drinking. And then I told him, I picked him up, I was like, I got a surprise for you. I was like, you want to go to Crumble Cookie? And he was like, oh, Trisha's already been there. I've already had their cookies or whatever. So we just got a Crumble Cookie. I've never experienced Crumble Cookie. So I guess Jay and I would have to go on our own because Carter didn't want to go. Instead, he wanted to come to Whimsy Cookie.
Yeah, you got can't lie, they're good. I can't lie.
Yeah, Whimsy cookies are good too. They have like they're called like gooeyes. It's almost like where the cookie isn't done, but it's so good. So we about to go in here and get some Whimsy cookies. And then
I want a gooey.
We are gonna get a gooey, and then we gotta run to Walmart to get something for your padding for your chin. And then after that, I guess we can go home because we ain't got nothing else to do after that. Yeah. Since he don't want to go to Crumble Cookie anymore. So y'all know earlier I was just like in a really good mood. I was like hype. I had my B12, I had my coffee, and now I'm like. So. Hi. Good. What kind of gooeys you want, Cardi? He wants birthday cake. What other one did Pal get last time? I want a,
Mom, have two.
You don't get two of the birthday cakes?
Wait.
We definitely want.
Yeah, 2 birthday cakes.
Okay, so 3 birthday cake gooeys.
Oh.
I want a butter gooey.
Okay.
What kind does Pal like? I guess get him a chocolate chip.
Hey Jay, let's treat Jay badly. I mean, he already has a fat belly, so.
Well, he's gonna be mad if he knew he was here and didn't get him no cookies.
We could just hide them. We could just
maybe
eat all the cookies.
A lemon gooey.
Okay.
And that should be all. Look at the breast cancer cookies. Those are so cute. All right, y'all. So we got our cookies, as you can tell by Carter's face. Got all our gooeys, and the gooeys are so good. Butter is like my favorite, but look how they look up close, and they're super like thick. They're so good, and they almost like doughy, but not. They're really good. So let's go and get the hair, and then go to Walmart. And we'll be done. And the good thing about those cookies, like, they're almost like so rich. Well, you can't eat a whole one at one time. Besides Carter over here. But they are rich. But anyway, we're gonna get our stuff, and well, man, don't hit me. I'm not in the mood to be hit today. So we're gonna go get the hair and stuff, and then run to Walmart. And y'all, I got on my sweet sweat band belt, sweet sweat belt. Baby, when I be doing hair and I have this on, I can feel my core literally like heating up. I can feel the sweat. Legit. So y'all, I totally forgot I done ate the McDonald's, right? Because I was so hungry, I just like couldn't focus, right? Why did I forget crab trapping was in my city today? So I'm about to go by the crab trapping place is like down the street from my house today. They're out of a local city that's probably about an hour away from us. That is an hour away from us. But they just go around different places, posting up in different parking lots and stuff like that, and they call it crab trapping. How appropriate is the name? Because that's exactly what you're doing, trapping crabs. You hear me? But I'm about to go up here, and I think I'm just gonna get me a shrimp plate, because I don't know, I may get me some crab legs too. I may do crab legs and shrimp, but it comes with like the corn and everything. So we about to see how this is, because I'm about to bust that up too, or at least get it now and eat some of it later. But you know, I gotta have a couple of bites. You know, I'm a seafood queen. If y'all don't know, my son is super allergic to shellfish. Probably because I ate so much of it when I was pregnant because I couldn't have fish because of the mercury. Ate so much shellfish, but I love seafood anyway, so just kind of how it happened. But either way, yeah, I just had to tell y'all I'm about to go to the crab trap. All right, y'all, so this is the crab trapping. They just set up, post up shop, and everybody's just waiting. My number is ghetto as 324, and I just ordered the I think I got snow crab legs, shrimp, and a lobster tail, and it was like $42. Carter! But yeah, so everything I got was like $42. My lips look very Dave Chappelle-ish on here. I gotta go. And here is my food from the crab trap. So I'm about to bust this up. Period.